Chef Anthony here, having some fun in the kitchen with some great asparagus. Today we're gonna make a nice bunch of asparagus in your steam oven. We're featuring the Wolf products right now. So in front of me, I have my perforated tray. This is the setup for all setups, and I have my solid pan underneath to catch all the drippings. So we have the steam oven preheated to 212 degrees of full steam. Once we put the asparagus in, the steam holds in those great nutrients, really helping all of our products out, ensuring our fresh vegetables go well. So nice and easy on this. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it, okay? Just to give it a little sheen, and a little bit of fine sea salt on this. Right, nice little teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of fresh grated black pepper. This looks great, and I just like to give it a toss like this, make sure it's nice and even, and the air is right there with the perforation. So this is the setup. Let's go in our steam oven, probably about 3 to 5 minutes, because these are medium asparagus. Thicker ones are gonna take 5 to 7, okay? Let's do it. Right out of the steam oven, let's check our quality here. Great look, great, look at that, perfect bend, very plump, great texture on it. You can tell when the steam keeps all the nutrients in. I taste everything that came from the ground to the soil on this one. Perfect for the steam oven. Thank you.